twakutangirira eshaha n'iz'Agacencwire ebiro by'okwezi byaba munana okwezi noko kubanza omwaka n'2026 Serena Nuwamanya ninyendabe ninkutwara mu Gacencwire agutwatebekanisa omwebazyo umusa kwakire mutu y'amakuru turagaruce twije n'amakuru ombwijwire.
Emitwe y'amakuru nekuhikibwaho
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa Basiga Investment Limited kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga tera noti musanzu ibiri mukaga na mukaga notina atalne itano okusinzira kulangi ezenjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozerwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa omu maduka gona mwihanga lyona.
Chiche rumba ne Castro Power motorcycle oil akumadigiyonga na mu Burungi netambula bulungi neba kalibobo. Castro Power mufuno kuva ku masundiro ga mafuta ga Rubis wonna mu ggwanga.
Gacencwire kireki district yambarra Kasese na Hoima City nizimwaha ziri kuteekateekaho kuba mu bw'omukyero ombwire bwa Karuru.
Ntwara mwihanga lyona kureba ebicweke tuja kuzamu akavuyo kandi wareba imyanya ekiro y'ubwingi n'emyanya eriyo omusitizi.
Akakiko ko Bururu katandika kusindika emotoka zo kutambuza ebikoreso omu myanya eratererwemu.
If we had to say we dispatch all the materials for the entire country.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yagaruka mu kyanga kya Rango okulonda obushagiki.
You are not in a good situation. That's why we emphasize now the third issue, the issue of wealth.
Gacencwire ombwejire akakiko akarukurira ebyoburoro mu ihanga kasindika motoka eziri kwija kuba nizikozesibwa okutambuza ebyokukozesa mu kutera akaruru omu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe omu ihanga.
Muramuzi Simon Mugenyi byabakama orukurira akakiko k'ebyobururu aka Electoral Commission niwe yakurira omukoro ogwo kusimbura emotokezi ogwakorerwa ahambuga nkuru ez'akakiko omuri Kampala.
Nebyo bigenda kubanga tebikozesebwa mu kulonda kwa 2026.
If we had to say we dispatch all the materials for the entire country in one single day, that will not be possible. First of all, look at the parking we have here. So that will not be possible. And secondly, this is not the first time we are dispatching the kit in bits or in installments, if I may use that phrase. We load those where we are satisfied we have completed the parking process adequately with everything. The parkers are still here with us. They are not leaving today after this first consignment has been dispatched.
Ahambuga nkuru ez'akakiko ak'ebyobururu aka Electoral Commission abakozi nibakora obutisya bari kupakira obururu hamwe n'ebintu ebirakoresebwe omu kuteera akaruru akatebekanisibwe okuteerwa aha Rwakana esabiiti erikwija.
The process involved breaking the bulk supplies of the materials that we received into small quantities that are packed in the metallic boxes which we dispatch to the boarding stations.
Byabakama yagirangwe birakoresebwe omu kuteera akaruru nibije kutambuzibwa omu bukumi obw'amaani omu myanya yona ey'akaruru katebekanisibwe kuteerwa.
Now, on the issue of the NVR, yesterday the Commission started distributing the National Voters Register to the presidential candidates. So again, I want to allay the fears of those who say the Commission is not in position to do that. We have started to do so, and we are continuing to do that. Incidentally, we have also been receiving individual requests from especially parliamentary candidates who have been requesting to us to avail them with their constituency register. And we have been doing that. We have been advising them on the fee that they are required to pay so that we give them the registers.
Ogu yaraganisa abanya-Uganda kubarukuza kutera akaruru akihorere.
If you, a candidate, you have deployed agents at every polling station after counting and capturing the results in the DR form, your agent is going to be given a copy of the DR form. First of all, the presiding officer is going to announce so and so has got so many votes here. So and so has got so many votes here. So and so has got so many votes here. It is in the law.
Amakuraga gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo ahabwa TV West.
Abdukarim Sengendo, President Yoweri Museveni yagaruka kulonda karoro mucyange cyarango kandi yaraganisa ngo abantu baferirwe ente zabo omurutaro government neja kubashumbusha mu esente abarukuza kuganyirwa omunkoreji naba baferirwe ente zabo omurutaro rwakone naba karamoja abente zabo zayibirwe.
President Museveni ebyabigambera izoba obyaba naronda karuru omyanya eyatarashikiremu obyabire naronda karuru omucanga ekyarango yatandukana district eya Kole Lira City hamwe na Lira district kandi enkuyanja y'abahagizibe bayeshwa mu kishayi ekya Akalbanya Senior Secondary School okumwakira.
I am here with the other leaders from Kampala.
Enobino kedotelo kene ameoyai Kampala.
To present to you the manifesto of the NRM for 2026-2031.
Okoth Boniface mukuru wa NRM ahabwa Kole district yasima President Museveni ahabwe byabakorire konka yashaba kwayongera amani omumashomero agwa mu kicweke ekyo.
Each year, an estimated 42 students are enrolled from Kole district. This has offered hope to many. However, the number is still small. As per NDB4, completion rates for P7 are still 40%, with some districts and rural schools reporting lower rates.
Lao penye University President Museveni omio. Lao penyo ni yil marorom medagatal melira. It is now a regional referral hospital.
President Museveni yagambira abahagizibe ngo abasize kutereza ihanga kuruga ahirru kutandikira kuhika ahirru kukoma.
Ilao kere Uganda.
Because Uganda had become very unstable.
Pen Uganda no berameno tieke de rushu aduong abonkuch.
And it was unstable
dang rushu no tie
because of bad politics.
Pen we be one opetia bear.
The politics of identity.
No bedo kop me we be me poha poha.
Of religion,
amejo neno dini
and tribes.
Kede kaha.
NRM believes in unity of the people of Uganda.
Party NRM bedo kede bedo neno menote ejo.
To create prosperity for themselves.
Mekelo lonyo kede don lobo.
That's how we were able to bring unity, and unity has enabled us to form a national party which unites all Ugandans.
President hona yagambira abahagizibe ebintu ebyayerekerire okukora omunchiro erukwija kwaragisinje.
We don't want homes without lonyo.
Peomito berokede wiudi kede ota me lonyo pe yere ame chantie yere.
And that is why all these years from 1997
eno mio cha here mwa hatutumia chel mia bongwen pira bongen we abiro.
Well, first of all, when we came into government, we knew the whole story about Uganda and the world and Africa.
ame wano bino iloch wano bino ngeo koshe jami dushu kede nget dushu akwaho Uganda kede Africa kede lobo dushu.
And we knew that wealth is very crucial.
Dangotenge oni lonyo bedo gina pire tek.
Some of the people don't need, they can go, they have their own money, they can use their own savings.
Joke ne teke de chene gi amegino goho gini amegino romo gini teach kede.
Others can go to the bank and borrow.
Joke ne uromo ri bank te deno ka chente.
But we had our people who could not go to the bank.
Eto no teke de joa meno peromo ti bank me deno chente.
And who did not have their own savings.
Eto dang no pay kede chene gi.
That's why we started in 1997 with what we called Ntandikwa.
Ahabyentunguka eya Uganda yashobora okubyeyonjire arukwecho kureberaho echashkari eyeyonjire kwika haritani milioni 5 okuruga haritani 500.
The cows in Uganda were 3 million.
Doka menoti ye Uganda ikara national bedo million a dek.
They are now 16 million.
Amani ni tie doktie million a para bishel.
You look at maize.
Ineno kop menyo age.
Maize, we used to produce 500,000 tons.
No to nuwani tons mia beach.
We are now producing 5 million tons.
Mando reto akaduke the tons million a beach.
You look at sugar cane.
Amakuraga gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo ahabwa TV West.
Tugumizamu n'amakuru polisi nabagirangwe myanya rumumbarara Kasese hamwe na Hoima nemo muryeje batire herisho obwakaruru karukuburayo ebiro mukaga byonka kuterwa okurijira polisi Entebbe Kanseji bajesire hotspot mapping kandi genderire okureba ngo akaruru katerwa omwihorere omu district zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Irangirirwe mukuru w'ebikoko Tom Police Frank Mwisugwa obwabire nabugana abadumize ba police okurwumbyanga bya Ankore Rwenzori Toro hamwe n'abunyoro umurukiko rubira hambuga nkuru za district ya Kabarore
Polizo mu cwekeki abo kuba tubere ntwara umwihanga riyo na kureba ibicweke kuja kuzamu akavuyo kandi wareba imyanya erukiro y'ubwingi n'imyanya eriyo omusitizi so rizo twaturfoto foto twantu meeting akamanda azabakorgambarra Hoima City hamwe na Kasese kongera kubahabura okutureje gukora ebiro 15 abantu baza kutera karuru kabo kureba ngo abantu bayino businge keno kubatina tinsa kandi baza tare center badera karuru kabo bategereza results.
Mwisugwa nagirangwe hureje ya hotspot mapping yibarumuntu bakora nka polisi egenderiro kwiyaho imyanye je yibaru kutekateka ngwe basa kuba muvuyo amubururo kuza guterwe sandero kwija
tujya kugira abasirikare baitu bari hama motoka na piki na bigere baku patrollinga emyanya yitekateka kugira mu akavuyo
ashoboriye ku polisi betebekani isokoragana jeni heri ya Uganda People's Defense Forces abebihome hamwe n'abasirikare abandi okureba ngo muza district Sinkambarara Kasese hamwe na Hoima nezinde ziri kutekateka ko bamimuvuyo taba muvuyo yona.
We have reinforcement from UPDF, we have reinforcement from prisons, we have reinforcement from UA. So the security plan for the election is a joint capability for all the security forces. Recently recruited the election SPCs who are going to be at the polling station. Two at the polling station with batons, and that is their mandate, and that's where they be stationed. So in terms of personnel and manpower, we are not being burdened.
Ogu agumiza abantu ngo bagume kandi batagira kutinda kona ubwagumize ngo nka polisi bahereze kwetebekanisa okureba ngo taba ukavuyo kona mu bururobu
ni impamiza abantu beitungu tsa kugira karuru ko businge abo kuba teireho entekateka yamani kureba ngo abantu ba leta akavuyo omusizoneji kandi omurimo gwitu no kureba ngo twangira kumantabura abasirikare beitu korra hamwe abo kuba twine agencies zona nza kwantwara nazo
gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire
Jonan Tusingwire abaturo mbyare bya Shook Town Council omuri Shema District ibenda bebembeza barasinja karuru okukora habizubu hebiri kuteganisa entunguka hamwe n'entasya yabo
bigambiro jagreta twirerwa bukurukuru orukomisho nawe kitongoro cha government cyo kurwana n'ubwayo bw'abantu ece Uganda Human Rights Commission kandi ubwato esimbira hante byo mwishengero kazabwa Shema District obwabiri narondo bushaji cyo muri Shook Town Council mu district ya Shema
gukomezamo nawe ebe byona akakora nyakanyese no gukora nkito nyebazire nkito zo kuzwara ubugere
abebembezi n'abashubuzi bashuktabona kanso nabo batwire nshonga zabo ahabwenshi binjire munongo mu kuronda abebembezi
kuza kubasyohereza abantu tubareba akutuwe n'umuteye bamwe ba parliament konka murebe jakireti kandi umwetegereze turahakurondo ojwirete turahakurondo muringwa turahakurondo murungi kandi nimanya ngo byo byona tindi mwo mugende yoba warenda betunguka bona noshanga nyobo ninye nabashita konko murungi apana obisho cyarunja apana yiwara tetunguka
umuganda nkago kurwa mu district ya Shema meya wa Shema municipality Aber Kahara nayenda abantu bashema ukurunda bembeza batini itima no kwendeza ebi abigambiro bwabiri narondera umunyeshengero wa Shema municipality Dickson Corners Kateshumbwa Karuru umuwode yakarera South hamwe na North
ogu mukuru wanje kunyemerera nawe bire MP wanje ejeni yaketa omuntu ombeni tukakampara ketana tukazomodoka ebe tukazashakira she ni manyago no mwebemezi ati nito ni manyago no mwebemezi undi kugira ngo nyera twara shilingi miliyoni maganana ha city school atajya kitware kago
zire kubagambira iki owaterire muri akatesi nataramuterire bona bakosora kuto kuri kubarubi bona rubabera rubi amashanyazi gakwiza bona nibagenda amizi bona nibagenda kandi utware nakubasa kubireta nikateshumba
Kateshumba araganisa abanyakarera naija kubaretera irware ryare ngo Health Center ya Kashatu barekera aho kubona abona barakuza kabuye kuraguza
irwaro rumya kasozi kuriya turi kubamara niyenda gutwatanise naheza kuzayo turonde irwaro rya kabiri Health Center tu ya Karera irga Health Center tu ezanrengo rwa free
gasha kwa Mike atwakire
Michael atwakire twaza kumuraho tugaruke n'icweka icya kabiri
agarukuraho nagakushyibwaho
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
koti yatanu ko kurire mshangwe mahango omuribanda
so nitekatika ngo twatandika kuro musango ogu tuza kufuna justice
Obhabuzi ahabyo bwegese nibikushyibwaho.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences.
Bumbire Secondary School Day and Boarding erikushangwa Bumbire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru.
Ukukunda abana banyu na munongo umwana wa mushiki nayenda rukundo mumwesiye hihi uganire nawe ube munywana we kandi umugambire ebikwija kumwombeka umwegese mirimo atashita makarere ngaro ubona ko bwara batari ishomero abe nakore mirimo y'umuka kandi umuhubwiro bw'ukushoma ko kuba munywana we nayija kugambira bikumusasa umubona ko ubu abana babishikino bateganisubwa imbere barukurabamo mwene betengo habuze umuzire kandi umuzire ko mwana umanye byaro kwetenga na munonga ebikwato ebyaro kukwata yabari yo mwishomero abo kuba kayishomero bine binji ebo kwenda bakozese nkabishiki yabatakine mushango bundi umutima gwa mutwara hari yahaba
Are you in panic? Or are you afraid to make a move? Don't
Don't worry, with Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Imbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, sumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamusha nere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Chigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Imbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Imbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
Kurukubujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezembaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original chiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji eziri original eza office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwa rugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
kurugera kimumbuki mu bwenshoza ankore Uganda ahi ensinembe honungi birukweza burujuma rw'umwani ekitarya handi burujuma n'uruhingwa no gwegendesereza kandi rushoromwa ry'abahingi kurinda itaka hamwe no kubaho bukogo ahara Ankore Coffee Producers Cooperative Union ACPCU nitweretera umwani gukarangirwe je gunusere gwinaka hoho komutindo hasa gutebekana isigweje kora birometendere kere ukongera birungo byitunyamurungi abahingi n'eminyeto n'abahwerwa Ankore Coffee omunkora yo kutungura byaro nywa umwana umurungi kumutano ogwa Ankore Coffee utafuhirirwe n'imibazi ugurukwamagara marungi kandi ogora kusya kiroto cyawe buzimeki n'ikirungo cyitu cyo buhangwe cy'ikere kwenda kumenya biri kukeraho tera note 8 note 3 note 5 3
nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni yakwera utamuyo mu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinyode ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako
tunge icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
waliyo chairman kukaleo
obwe turukwirira kutera karuru 2026 twena tuterereyo wereka guta Museveni ahabwa mukuru wihanga ahabo kuba nuwaresiro businjo mwihanga atungwire byo bwegese ebyamagara hamwe n'entasi 2015 byo kukubanza 2026 terereyo wereka guta Museveni chebera basi burihora jirebe hona Museveni abase kukumebe byona ebyakozweho hamwe n'ebiri kuzakorwaho omucanje cy'urukwije protecting the gain buri munya Uganda 2015 byo kubanza 2026 tererayo wereka guta Museveni tubuhaburwa nitubendeza kutera karuru ko businge
banjura ba Allen Interiors and Designing Hardware abantu bakafuru ba interior designing ngo mu ruburengero rw'izoba orino yombeka ninga no gundiza makagawe hoteli amashomero ninga business yawe tutayayiro yotungira amatara ga chandelier agarika wa okashangura uburaya sink zo murembe tiles za burchika wallpapers za toilet sheets dressing tables na millers shower mixers jacuzzi zo murembe za curtain water heaters tap mixers door locks carpets n'ibindi bingi kandi nubaguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga mu Rimbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hina gate ya Baspaka aho uzuri kutahiramo esumu noto mushanju 2 anani 2 abiri na mushanju 9
manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki 2
bantu mwareka turgo mu muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunyumbo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushoma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetungiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju 8 mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal
Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health
no mwanya gwobuhumuro ogurumwe businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel ni toburaro bwo murembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokoramo amajenyi agaburikika oyine business meeting abantu bawe omu conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanisa ebyokurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimu ekyokunywa cyekika cyona ekyorukwenda ebyokwerinda byitu bikebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 054 20 86 tusanje asungine nakatare kakatozo akashozi kabeharwe omuri Mbarara City
obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya langi eya kitaka langi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo langi eno erungi ya buli kimu langi bwe bulamu
okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliitu ze tulina ku Global Paint ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100*0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amashemererwa mingi nitutabarusiya abantu mwena umwaka musya ogw'2026 kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguni tukinda abantu bingi abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 25 okwerera Kyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esingira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize ogw'2025 okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitugona esimu noti mushanju ina noti emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina itano itano.
Omu Gacencwire abahagizi b'ekigombe kya NRM muri Kitagwenda district nibemurika omu mashemererwa bwa nyuma ya koti okubinga emishango yaberetirwa kandidate wabo Robert Mugabe oyine bendera ya NRM ngutayine by'ubwegese birukumara.
Bwanyuma ya koti kusharamwa mushango gubatabarize Robert Mugabe okwise bendera ya NRM nkuyanje y'abantu na munonga abagizi ba NRM bamwakire kandi abaganise kubakora.
Urucecerire mu izina rya Yesu. Batagira bashobora kubiha Mugabe tarazo mu karuru orachigambe otamukiriza no kuchikugambira
Mugabe esimbe n'abantu bantu bana abamuha babiri mutayine bwegese burukumara.
Turi kwenda uri kwejema abantu ninyoma kuzire mugume mu mpaka ruru abarwango babaruke na rwango yabo
Kitagwenda kutwariza hamwe bashemererwa muno fact washemererwa ahabwe bwambe biduranzurira bonarebo bitu Mugabe Robert Mutembuzi ahatandikira karuru harho kibeshi bataka mupiro harho omushango kubataka mupiro
Omugandi abekibira kya NRM nibagumiza mu kurunda karuru kandi hati nibatambura enjo handijo ogwo hari kuborayo ebiro mukaga byonka okika kutera karuru kabona
wano ndakamente yawe wasurenye netari yayo egabisa yamamate tukagabona okakusurenye na yayo egabisa okamamate kokwenda musubure his excellency enyena ezatori fraga meyaras
omukaruraka meiri ni musima wabera yesimbira habwo bunyishenjero kazu wisinjiro ayigisira ha kampu ya Lilian Rutera Ebinovura bibiri bityo abatuwana bashabe bembezi okubashakira okora habuhereza ombyenga byabo
abarigira henyumaho nategeka ekisanja kimwe bamwiyo azeshonga neha no butakora birungi by'abantu bakwetaga enyuma twetaga mizi twetaga kuto no n'amashomero n'amarwaro
gashokwa Anthony Twine na Ruth Nuwamanya.
Abanyamakuru betu abasingirwa karuru ka NRM primaries muri Mbarara batongwize ekigombe ekyo kurondera president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akaruru ekibine ekibakesire NRM nyekundire group kandi abantu bija kwatanisa n'abebembezi ba NRM omu district okubasa kurondera president Museveni akaruru ombiro ebyasigarayo.
NRM nyekundire group n'ekibina ekyatandikiraho ababiri besimbire omu karuru ka NRM primaries omurembo rwa Mbarara bitu bakasingwa abashaziremo kugirira karimwe bongera kurunda president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akaruru
nyene ba kansarazi na ba honorable abandi twayisimbira mu primaries abinje of course bakatwiba twagire ibintu byingi habaho kusakara
kugira ngo abarya abukiko structures nibo bararondere president Museveni so atitwe tubere tine structures zone zitoro kandi tukunda pate yitu twayekora mu murumo titwagaruka independent tumanyisa president Museveni yari na government yone NRM pate itwe tugarukira independent
hato muri gecho itwe turi NRM Royal Cadres konga twagira ngo turi banye kundire eki turukora tukozire twekundire tino tugemeserize
NRM ni pate y'obusinge karebo wija kubi amuhigize twakwenzire ngo turi abantu bitu abakora campaign kandi cyo kurra turango barwana bajumirana ngaha
omukorogo gwichiroho na RCC aborembo rwambarara Catherine Helen Kamwene
so itwembarra security eyetebekanise kureba ngo twakuma abanyambarra ntubaherezo bugabe nka constitution obweru kubaha kugira ngo bino bugabe kwija kutera karuru kabo baheza katera nho turukoma abarabe basingire nibo bararangirwe kandi ogo tumurumo gwanje naiwe orukuhurra tumurumo gwawe
omuganda abashubuzi abanyadini bamwe ombanyabutegeki nibashaba abanyuganda kwejumbera omukutera karuru esabit erukwija
kutera umaranga okumanyisa abanyambara abantu bambara site north ngo nekintu kikuru okwejumberamu okutera karuru ahabwo kuba nishwa uburyo orondo mwebembezi orukwenda
mwimuke 215 na n'obururu bundo bukweyongerwaho tutere obururu turebeke ngo twarunda abebembezi barungi bihanga ry'itu abaraba ba town clerks babana baba treasurer abacyara babo corporates tumutera kangu
nimbashaba ngo ubu businge tu maintaining pira ya NRM no businge na security
kugira ngo tukundane tutwazeje tuombekane tushabirane rero abararabemu nibo bebembezi beitu
none mpagira ngo akaruru kabo kubusinge kandi obusinge nubukora ibintu byinshi
kubasaba tulinde mirembe abako burugujya nibugenda batukwetaga mirembe nkabana Uganda
wani ntekateka ngo obusinge obu ukubaho kumarongo bwire bwona icyo kiresere Uganda yatunguka kandi yakaheri
abenitwe Eva Orjom chibinje FDC naho hari ubutumwa wenje kuhereza iyimo abanyayuganda
nana na munana batakare bagarutaro abatakare bagembera mbituturu kwenda kubirebesha heji ni nyenda kumanyisa ngo no mudara gwa chapata marirwo habwo businjo butwinenga omuyihanga kandi obwaresirwe the current regime niyo ya NRM erikwebemberwa wechitinisa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni his excellency
yonje kushobora wacha egisa kibina cha NRM
we worry no protecting again za no protecting amagaragawe ubachapati yawo bamakaraga ugoguza obachizimbi cyawo ninga any other business darisha matungo gawe
Our TV West ndise nyomo Gideon na Anita atkunda
tugumizemo n'agacencire kote nkuru erukutware cange cambarra obweryo muri ibanda yatandika kure mishangwe mihango kandi omuryeji yatandika no mushango ogwo kwitwa ko mugurusi Eliabo rwa Chikabuzi omugurusi ogu nagambwa kuba yisirwa habiri kumbyo kwa kana umwaka 2023 omakaje omure Kagorogoro Kicuzi ibanda district
Omuramuzi mukuru wa High Court eyambarra Jameson Kalemani niwe yayebembera kurira imishango y'imihango kandi umwami mishango yahurwe rizoba nubwo mugurusi Eliabo rwa Kabuzi rugamba kuba yisirwe biri kumo kwa kana 2023 Eastermande abarya nyuma y'emishango eji ngo nitwe yambe Ivan Muchunguzi Innocent Kohiga Innocent Peter Muherezo Nesmat Katojen Mary Ayobare Francis na Deogracia Serunjoji owikirize mushango
identify the panga and told you that the panga is for Tweyambe, right? Yes. In your investigation, did you identify any difference in that panga that could suppose that it could only be for Tweyambe?
Kweter kurunda no bujuruzi yamanyisibwa ngo aba bakayito mugurusi Eliabo nuko kushashurwa miliyoni 28 kandi ngo bakamutematema mbwire bwekiro.
How much was Toyambe paid? 500. Before we go to the details, do you know how much in total Will Muchunguza is alleged to have paid the other accused persons?
Okuru mushango ogu niguzagarwamu ebiro 12 byo kwezi oku obwekote bikurundana obundi bujurizi.
Chimbo chikwetagisha tuchine tugurede abo kuba kutwa reporting mushango police ya taking over yatandika yakora investigations yafana suspects abiya abwine batwiromu ha remand. So nitekateka ngo twatandika kuri musango ogu tuza kufuna justice
kufa ko mushijo burashika zeliyabu kabaho ibiri 10 byo kwakana 2023 omwanya gwe ubuyabira rumu kicuzi kagorogoro
gashakwa Timothy Mushabe.
Bare Timothy twaza kumuraho nitugaruka.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room number 17 ari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanjo mukaga hata 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rwizoba abino buhereza bwo murembe.
Global High School ni cyo shongoro cyo bwirobo omuri burenje bwizoba bine basalis kuruga senior yo kubanza ku isaya mukaga
gatandikira Global High School Senior 1 2018 na mara yo mwako guhwire na korobonero mwenda na hatindi yo ngarukire y'ibitano ndimo ninshoma kandi nitekateka korobonero 20 umwako kwisa so abana mwe nabariyeyo mize tishome hamwe kintu kikwasaganye
bashange mbara hari Bulemba Road ashungini no muzigito mkurogwa Abakari hagati ye town 0818252
Global High School niyo yonka inda twari mu mwana wanje.
Katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako ha mutima ryaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
Setma I love Setma nituyeje Setma tushomaje Setma tulalaje turebekaje Setma a school is good
twine Setma kerikushangwa onkagate karengo Kirhura district Setma ka erikushangwa Yantondo Town Council akashuzi cyamiyonga nitwakira beji abojona bishiki kurugana sare kwika ahacamushaje Saint Mark twebembezo kureberaje abana okuriya namagaraga bugona Saint Mark ntwegesaje abana tukisaje abana on first grades Saint Mark nutfayo aha micwe y'abana talents no kuskiringa abana
Saint Mark madness Saint Mark
Rya mujungu nsako yakuretera umucago kwetaba mu kazano kandi ukasingura ibihembo nyamwinje bwa nyuma yo kubika kumara imyezi 3 tari hayo bika kutandikira imitwari 10 osingura ibihembe biri mente ibihembe bindi birimo za water tanks smartphones embuzi emfariso za branjiti enkoko n'ekitire cyanyamurungi kandi okusingura na AGM obwinji bwo bukonje bworagure niko n'emica yawe yo kusingura ereyongera rya mujungu sako bino buhereza bwa business loans school fees loan, agriculture loans, boda boda n'izindi nyingi. Rya Mujungu Sako erashangwa rya Mujungu Nyakasharara Kaharo omuri Kabale kandi ina mataji omuri Kahondo Maziba Buharaka Mwezi gwa Matunguru Kigonji Kabale Rubaya ahari rya Kalimira Rubanda na Rwentobo Tungamo. Esimu noti mushanju 2 anana mushanju 58 nkaga na mwenda. Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding eri kushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa batendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimwo mu mashomero agari kwijagebembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese. Bumbeire Secondary School ehandikise na ministry yebyo bwegese bine UNEB center number emyanya kiriho okurwa munsi niya yo kubanza okwiko munsi niya yakana 2026 kumanye biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju 2 39 21 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning.
Banyita Kemit Shamir Kamahoro wa Complete Medical Clinic Kazo nyenda kusima buheza bwa Fresh Sora Uganda. Ito tukudafutanga kakoza Fresh Sora Uganda tukagera challenge nyingi amashanyarazi usanga amashanyarazi mugargaho nigagenda bwayise byoma konga kurugana kozesa mashini zanje ninde bazona zirije kurenterije ahabarwire bakwiziraniye mbakoraho so ni cyabantu ndiyari mukumizemo uhereza mutereze
Mweniwe oasaruni, abamashomero, abamaduka, abazafamu, n'abatunzi b'enkoko, banyina maka, abamabara na za hoteli. Tunga sora ya fresi, rero kora magoba. Ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira, bagikanike, kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara. Aho gabusha free. Evri kukira hotera, noti 8 noti, 36 57 ngaga ni 5. Eyabusha.
Empowering girls of today and tomorrow. Welcome to Chivura Girls Secondary School, the premier girls secondary school located in the heart of Ibanda town near the Diocese of Northwest Ankole Ibanda. On the foundation of the Anglican faith, our school offers a supportive and inclusive learning environment where girls can grow, explore, and discover their full potential. From academics to arts, sports to leadership, we provide a holistic education that prepares our girls for success in all aspects of life. Apply now and empower her to become the woman of substance she is meant to be. With courage, we march to progress. Contact 077 693 1113.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahereza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwija kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushikiro kubarana urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gan mashomo ga teknolojia kumwonje no mugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri bursaries zichiruko mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukira hotera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nishanju ni 3 nishanju ni 5 ashatu na 4.
Are you looking for a school that will give your child a bright future? Clear Junior School is your answer. Located in the heart of Mbarara City, Karujembe, Ngara, Ruti, 3 kilometers along Mbarara Kabale Highway. Clear Junior School is a mixed day and boarding primary school that prides of a conducive learning environment with modern learning classrooms, a fully stocked library, state-of-the-art multi-purpose hall, and a modern sports facility for football, volleyball, tennis, and basketball. We offer computer and ITC training, swimming sessions, transportation for our dear pupils, and a balanced diet. We have a competent team of teachers highly trained in early childhood development and academic excellence. Bring your child to Clear Junior School. You will not regret your choice. For more information, please contact us on 0782 915 207 or 0751 753 183.
Omuzaire otaferwa mu gishogo St Kana International Secondary School erukushangwa kilometri 10 haruguto rw'Ishaka Kasese Kashozi Butare yeine byone byo mwejya kwetenga kushongo ko micwe n'ubwegesi ishomero mixed boarding on a level kandi bina bashomeza batendekirwe je munonga nibashomesa arts na sciences computer training agriculture na farming bina stocked library na modern equipped science laboratories ebyemezana mbwenu bobebembira amashomero gona muri Bushenyi district abeje nibareberwa je munonga kandi school fees nizibasubwa buri yomwe registration yatandikira ishomero buri izoba kutandika nakasheshe kusiyo mwabazi tera no tumushanje 5 kinana nina 14 18 fear God and excel
ubureberezi bwa Western Kore barete menyeto nabeji okwijo mu kiterane cyo mu rundi gwi 17 kandi kebero 8 by'ukwezi ko kubanza okusiki 12 by'ukwezi ko kubanza 12 mu kaga Pakashozi Gera Nyanji kandi mugambi mukuru ni Bishop Weito Mukundwa Right Reverend Johnson Twinomushuni hamwe na Mama Joy utaferwa abagambi kuka the very Reverend Canon Dr. Rebecca Nyekenye Reverend Canon Dr. Duncan Zimugumya Reverend John Musalako Reverend Koboy Emmanuel Reverend Isaiah Rineitwe Dr. Edison Mexico Mrs. Edina Natweta Kuranima Kajinda Yusiwaka haryaba hariho nabeshonguzi nyamwinji wija no mufariso urahereze mitware biri netweka wijo tina mufariso urahereze mitware na haryaba hariho nempaka z'emipira ukure kentaranta simu yo ruterane erarugo mu befeso eshura ya kabiri urunyiriri rw'14 okusya rw'17 teresimo gamena Yusiwaka 0 mukaga nkaga ne 3 kinana na mwenda 5
St. John College of Health Sciences, located in Rashamire Town Council, Ntungamo District, offers certificates in midwifery and nursing courses. Diploma in nursing and midwifery. Certificates run for 2.5 years respectively. The school has graduated a series of nurses since inception in 2009. Students are recruited after O-level and A-level, basing on having passed sciences at O-level. The school has a well-stocked library and laboratory, qualified staff, and the environment is very conducive for study. Come study at St. John College of Health Sciences and you will never regret. Call 0788 42 0323 or 0776 99 07 17 for details. St. John College of Health Sciences, a healthy body, a healthy mind.
Tukwaniriza ku St. Julian Junior School, essomero ly'abawala n'abalenzi nga liva ku kibiina ekisooka okutuukira ddala ku kibiina ekyomusanvu. Teeketeeke bulungi okusobozesa abayizi baffe okusoma obulungi n'okuwulirira ddala ng'abali ewaka ate nga bwe basoma n'okukula obulungi. Ku lw'abasomesa baffe abakugu n'abalabirira abaana batendeke kitusobozesezza okwekuumira ku mutindo gwa waggulu. Abayizi baffe tubagabula emmere ejjudde ebiriisa era ey'ebika eby'enjawulo okusobola okubakuuma nga balamu bulungi. Ku St. Julian Junior School essira tuliteeka nnyo ku by'emizannyo, okuyimba, okusobola okutumbula ekitone kya buli muyizi, okuwandiisa abayizi okuva ku kibiina ekisooka okutuukira ddala ku kibiina ekyomusanvu kukyagendera ddala maaso. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino wammanga.
Your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100*0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
St. Michael High School Rugazi ni ishomero rirungi ery'omutindo kandi riri kwesimisa ni ishomero rya gavumenti ahansi ya USE riryamusinje gw'ekereziya nerya dena boarding niryakira bojo n'abishiki nirishomesa science na arts ona A-level bine library y'omutindo computer lab ninungi erimu buli kimwe classrooms eziri kumara kandi ez'omutindo nibashomesa bari kutomu nkora nka curriculum ensya okweri kwegesa bine projects nkorutoke okurise empunu kandi omubyemizano tinori kubingana aha district abashomesa batendekirweje ebishere by'ishomero nibibasibwa bashanje Rugazi Rubirizi ninga baterera asimu noti mushanje 2 8 8 22 30.
Makobore High School Rukunjiri ernishomero eryabojo bonka eri bari kushoma bari kurarayo bine ona erevo nibegesa arts na sciences bine computer na science laboratories
buzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesa bw'emice nibaresibwa kurungi ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey, Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba wo mugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi go bureberezi obwana Kigezi diocese oburi kwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 82 nkaga na mukaga hatano ni 4 makumyana.
Ocherunitwe omugacenshire tugumiza munagacenshire tutakagumizemo ntwendo kushabo kusasubwa omumbozi eyitwa koreka eyibanda abatema bisiro mugurusi Eliab bakashashurwa miliyoni 2.8 zitari miliyoni 2.8 nko kutwatuha bigambere mutusasire habweco tugumizamo namakuru abikiriza abe hanangirizibwe okwetantara enyegesa zobuhabe ezokubasa kubarjiramo akabe byagambwe rizoba akanise ya Ruro Evangelical Church muri Muyenga aha mukoro go kwamya abosire no bashoma Biburi.
Aha mukoro go kwamya bose nibatende kwa Biburi ogwaba akanisa ya Ruro Evangelical Church Muyenga omorkatera rwizi abahami bwabasha bukwetantara enyegesa yobuhabe no kwedise bashomeri.
Twaberekira weregesha
and you cannot teach what you are not taught.
The
problem with the Pentecostal churches is because of having leaders who are not educated. Are the ones who go bringing confusion in the Christian world.
Tuchendeze obuvuyo bwo kwetwa mukama kanisa kandi tumareho obuvuyo bw'omuntenanentaro ezo makanisa ekyo nikija kwera ihanga ryitu kandi na n'omurimo gwa Ruhanga gugende omumisho.
Pastor Samuel Katehangwa obenashomesa bejaba abeanangirize okubecho kureberaho kirungi omubyanga byabo
na nabagambire ngo kuno murundi gwa mukaga okugraduatingira kandi omwishomerweri na maramu emyaka 19 ndi administrator ndukukora na nomurisa Brazil bitakatayire ori principal wa mashomero ago mu western.
Obutumwa bukuhereza emyeto no ninye nangu nimwe muruge ombiensi muruge omunjayi mumanye mukama mumanye oburungi mumanye embabazi z'Ruhanga yatutiriho tureke kwetwara omubyensi ebitine makuru
nayagadde okumanya engeri gy'oyinza okukwatamu abaweereza oba gy'okuyinza okukwatamu ekkanisa nga mu ebyo mugizeemu engeri gye bayinza okukwata ekkanisa engeri gy'oyinza okukola kubanga omukulembeze yenna atakola.
Gasha kwa Onesimus nabo
Onesimus omumakuru agevye mzano bwanyuma ya Manchester United okubengobere aliyo mutendeki wabo Ruben Amorim ekataho Darren Fletcher wakanya bwanya egumize munekora kubo mu mpake za Premier League ahegwere kikazi na Burnley na goli 2 ahazinde.
Left footed effort.
Amakuru agevye mzano ngo twatwinire kandi ngo gahendera gacenshire hagutwatwinire kireke ndukusima mnonga yogumere nitwe Serena Nuwamanya nabandi abonakora nabo tubendezo kurara n'ubusinge.